Hey guys, Brother Erickson here. I'm coming to you from Idaho this week. My wife and kids and I are at my in-laws for a few weeks, so I'm parked out in their driveway in their camper because I work nights. Um, so just going over what's going on this week. Um, I know we've already started, but just for awareness, this Saturday your feedback is due. Um, for your classmates' posts. So hopefully by now you've paired up, um, found somebody to critique your paper. Um, and they give you an example on here for the overview. If you go to your network design paper uh, feedback part 2 instructions. Um, if you haven't found a partner yet, um, send a message to somebody who's not paired up, or you can send a message and say, hey, I haven't found a partner yet. If you're having difficulty pairing up, um, let me know and I can help out. So shoot me an email if you don't have a partner yet and you're having difficulty finding one, and we can work something out. In past semesters, we have had to do 3-person groups, but we'll make it work. Um, and then your final is due next Saturday at the end of lesson 13. So make sure that you incorporate the feedback that you received this week from your fellow students and from myself and from Zach, and you'll do fine. Let's see. Let's go over the overview for the week also. Sorry, did I mention I'm in Idaho? My internet is super slow. Okay. So again, our objectives this week, what we're covering, go through this, um, covering chapters 7.6 through 7.8, and then we're skipping to 9.1 and through 9.3. Okay, so 7.6 to 7.8 in test out, and then 9.1 through 9.3. And then just make sure you provide your feedback this week like we already covered, and at the end of this week, I don't know why it says middle of the week. I think your feedback is due by Saturday, so that's a little confusing. And then at the end of the week, quiz 7. So as you're studying the chapters, like I always recommend, make sure you're taking the practice quizzes and doing the labs, and then you won't have any issues with the quizzes. So good luck this week, guys. We only have a couple weeks left. If you have any missing work, any late work that you want to do, let me know. It doesn't make any sense for you to have any missing assignments, so you need to take advantage of this. I'll work with you. I'm willing to accept late work, so let me know. We'll work something out, and let's finish the semester strong. Thanks, guys.